Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your non-refundable bookings into Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to cancel your non-refundable bookings, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your computer. Then, after opening the browser, simply open the site of agoda.com. Now, after coming into this site, you will get to see so many options into here. Just simply tap into this profile icon into top right side, and from there you will get the option of bookings. Just simply tap into bookings option. And you can see all of your bookings into here. Now you will get the option of manage bookings down here. Just simply tap into that manage bookings. Now into here it says now cancellation is not refundable. Now in order to cancel your non-refundable bookings, just simply tap into cancel my booking option and then choose to click continue with cancellation and then click to cancel this booking option. This way you can easily cancel your non-refundable bookings into Agoda. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.